Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into dental monitoring app review in order to check if the app is worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. The dental monitoring app lets the orthodontic patient scan their teeth from using their smartphone and a holder, sending image of their orthodontist for AI powered review. Its recent FDA DE Novo approval underline its legitimacy for remote monitoring. The app helps spot orthodontic issues, track progress, and reduce in-office visits by catching problem early. But it is not flawless. Some user reports scan failure, blurry images, or no-go feedback when they believe everything is fine. It also requires careful scanning techniques and compliance, or the AI may misinterpret the photos. In my opinion, the dental monitoring is worth using if you are under orthodontic care and you want to maximize in-person visit. Also, increase the follow-up and boost the treatment precision, so don't rely on it as a perfect substitute for your dentist. So it works best as a supplement, not as a replacement. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.